Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm not sure if this is zoomed in or out, but if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe down below. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Right now I am picking up Maxon. We're going to be doing a major tool run today, and maybe do a couple other things. So without further ado, tune in.
Driver's side.
Really?
Outboard all the time.
Well, we got Maxon, guys. What's up?
Yeah.
Alright, so we are going. You want to get something to eat first?
Yes, please.
Alright, we're gonna get something to eat first. What are you thinking?
Fucking chicken filet.
Okay. That's a good deal. Yeah, I just paid rent today too. It's a good day. I went on that cruise last night, bro.
Oh yeah, how was it? There's a run in my fender.
Yeah,
I just noticed that. I tried to put the cleaner up, make it look decent. I lowered the front a little bit.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I lowered the back a little bit more, dude.
Yeah, this car's all the way lowered. Oh, I can't film and drive at the same time.
When I get situated, assistance. When I get situated, I'm gonna go ahead and dump that bitch. That's why I took off the side skirts.
Okay.
Yeah, because when I lowered it, I was kind of struggling coming into the neighborhood, that second speed bump.
Bro, I fucking scraped.
Nah, this one's okay, but that second one's a doozy.
Dude, let me tell you, I scraped 3 times yesterday on speed bumps. It was at the little meetup spot, at the cookout on Indian Trail, the one that we went to, and there's like 3 speed bumps like around that corner. And
I would take this one.
damn.
Yeah, I know. Fucking Jaded almost died on the speed bump that's like up there.
Yeah, bro.
Slow, buddy.
I did go slow.
Slow.
Hey, hold the camera back.
Slow.
I need
Let's watch this man struggle a little bit.
God damn, I need 2 hands.
You should be okay on this one. There you go. What I would do is I would go ahead, let everybody pass. That's coming up right there.
Yeah, I'm on your
And then
pass.
get a mean ass angle on there and keep straight all the way through the angle. These people know what's up. They see my Accords fucking struggle every day trying to get out of here. Oh, there's that 350Z guy. Slow. Good. Come on. It's okay. There you go. Hell yeah. Just hit that fucking car.
Yeah,
Fuck
go
these
ahead.
guys, man.
You don't need it anyway, it's all good. Go ahead.
I would aim towards the middle on this one.
This thing's bigger.
Nah, the second one is the worst one. Yeah, you're good. Gotta aim towards that middle, boy. I know about this shit.
Silky feet.
I don't think anybody's gonna let me, so we got to do the whole loop.
Alrighty. Fucking detour. Hey, sir.
Yeah, figured.
Hey, man. Hey. This is why I told you to go this way. Cut through this a lot,
Yeah, I
dude.
ain't fucking with that speed bump. I'm good for speed bumps right now.
Let's get a little wheel view here. Put a death grip on the camera. G37. You're good this way. You should be okay on this one. Yeah, this one's pretty small. You should be okay. I hope that came out good. This one's a little bit of a doozy.
Fucking speed bumps everywhere.
Yeah, bro. Welcome to the fucking low ass life.
Dude, I'm scared I won't be able to drive my car as much as I want to anymore.
Nah, you definitely will be able to.
Dude, I'm so
Gucci.
Why did you just laugh?
Yeah, she was laughing. She was like, why is this so low? This thing sounds turboed.
It really does. The turbo Volkswagen thought I was fucking turbo yesterday.
This what, bro? You boost this thing will be nasty. Especially if it sounds like this. Park right here in the shade. Fuck it, bro.
I actually might boost it. Fuck it.
It's a lot of work.
I don't care.
You get right there. I still know the fucking boundaries of an Accord, man. I'll be slinging the fucking Civic.
Oh, you can put that right leg, bro. Alright, so we are now at Pep Boys. Just doing just checking some things out. So, appreciate it. So we're looking for Braxton. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Hi.
I really been wanting to get one of these Skunk 2 weighted shit knobs.
Yep. Oh, fucking fuel pump.
What? They got hood spacers? Is that what that is?
Yeah, it looks like hood spacers.
Oh no, that's for your oil inlet, I think.
I mean, it does look
I haven't
like
looked
it.
at it.
I mean, it does look like it, but you know, we're looking at things we can't afford. That's low key what yours look like. I said low key. I definitely said low key. Nah, I couldn't rock those. X6R wheels, gang gang.
Yeah, X6Rs. I actually like those. I don't know how I feel about this red though.
I like this though.
Never heard of Drift Z.
Me neither. I mean, I heard driftable 350Zs, but never heard of Drift Z. Bruh.
They got the good stuff now.
Dude, they getting the good stuff. Might as well. Damn, bruh. Damn, and they got Grim Speed. Dude, my uncle said I can do a blow-off valve in my car. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing it. He said I can get a blow-off valve, and I might just get one.
You might be able to do it.
He said I can do it because it helps with the airflow. He said it helps with airflow, and it's like, you know how like the cars like, you know, struggles to like find its like what gear it needs to be in. He said it definitely helps with that, so it relieves tension off of that. So I may actually get one.
I wouldn't be surprised because
And then get the blow off out like man, really start fucking people's minds up.
I wouldn't be surprised because I actually kind of like the steering wheel.
I'm getting a carbon fiber. Ooh.
Feel that, dude?
Damn, this actually feels good. No cap, this actually feels really good. Too bad it doesn't really fit with the NRG stuff.
Yeah, I like that stuff. Muffler.
Damn, look at this fool.
Yeah, they don't.
Fucking
they don't
DC
play,
Sports,
they
bro.
everything.
DC Sports, bro.
I came in here one time and saw like a Yonaka or Yanaka
Yanaka?
like, exhaust.
Really?
But it was for my Civic. But I
Really?
didn't have it at the time.
Damn. I bet you didn't know you were gonna have a 6, so.
I didn't. I'm thinking about swapping and just getting like a magnaflow muffler or some shit.
That's gonna make your car hella quiet.
That's what I want. It's too loud right now, dude.
We gotta get you we gotta get you a catalytic converter, bro.
Oh, I got a cat. This is my trunk.
Was it bad? Okay, I thought you told me that.
I need to buy the headers. Because
So-
without headers, it's kind of
Pointless.
yeah, it's kind of pointless to have.
All right, so you're gonna get the headers. Like, when you expect to get that?
I don't know. Honestly, I'm just worried about like fixing
Yeah, I feel you.
stuff on the car now.
Me too. Me too. All right, so we are heading to Harbor Freight. I am definitely in the passenger seat. Scary as shit. I'm in letting Maxton drive my car. So
Whip it.
don't tear it up.
Nah, of course not. Never that.
I'm gonna sip my drink and enjoy the ride. It's
Take it real easy on cars. You got the backup camera now?
yep.
The phone! What do you do? Just email the clip to yourself?
Huh?
What do? You email the clip to yourself?
Nah, I plugged that shit in.
Nice.
I plugged it into my computer.
Oh, just transfer it out?
Yep.
Nice.
Sometimes it takes a little motivation to get it up, but you know.
Your car rides are really smooth, man.
Thank you.
I can tell you've been taking a lot more care of it.
Oh,
The
yeah.
first time I drove it, like around like the block at that meet,
Yeah.
it was a little rough, but now it's
Way sweet.
smoother. You just gonna sip that drink right in front of me, Fred? I'm over here, mouth feeling like a fucking newspaper.
That's called being the perfect chauffeur.
Smell that oil a little bit.
Oh, look at that Ford over there.
Shit. Them wheels though.
My car fire, bro. Gotta give him a wave.
Oh, is he in the front?
Yeah.
That's just fire, bro.
Oh yeah, you waving and everything.
This thing is so fucking loud.
Exactly, bro. But it's not just loud. It actually moves too. That's the best part about it. It actually moves.
I miss my cord so fucking much. Something about this fucking this boat, man. I miss that shit.
Alright, so right now we are in Harbor Freight, getting some tools. We are going on a tool shopping spree. Max, where are you going?
Oh,
No, hell no, not for something like this.
yeah. I thought it was $70. I'm sorry.
Not for something like this. So we're getting a low profile jack, jack stands, and a crossbar. Hopefully, for a good deal. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Max is drifting, is piloting the drifter. So we're gonna go ahead and pick these up real quick. I'm curious to see where they hold the jacks at though. Oh no. Okay. So fun fact, we came to the wrong store. So the dude in there, I was asking about the low profile jack. I don't know if the thing is recording or not. He said that's what the guys at Harbor Freight do. And then what did he say? What did he say?
Oh,
He was
yeah, that Jack, that's with the schmucks up the street. You're with the big boys now, buddy.
Yeah, so we literally walked into the wrong store. So right now we're gonna hit the Harbor Freight. You got the map, or is it loading still?
It's still loading for me.
Yeah. So also another life update. That's a nice MR2. I do need to go back to orthodontist to get some new retainers if I can't find mine. So I know mom's gonna be pissed about that, but it is what it is. That's about to come out of my pocket, so not looking forward to that, but you know. Damn, get hella close, fool. Damn, okay. So obviously we need to move. So
It's kind of not loading for me. I'm so sorry.
you know what we can do?
Don't tell me we're going to hit the GPS.
Got him with the GPS. Alright, so we made it to the right location this time. Hopefully we get the right tools that we need. Just a nice stunt, dude. Just a nice stunt. So let's get the tools we need. We're about to spend a lot of money today. Alright guys, what's up? So new day. I'm gonna show you guys what we got from Harbor Freight. Just spent time just hanging out or whatever. Not something we get to do every day. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have bought, and all these tools that we bought, it was like very affordable. It was below budget, which is awesome. And yeah, for Harbor Freight, that's a good deal. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got.
Chucky beat.
As you guys can see, I have a crowbar or crossbar, however you want to say that, or tire iron for a better word, so I can get the wheels off. I have 3-ton jack stands. I'll be going back to get another set, so I'll have 4. Never know. Also here we have ourselves, I guess what is like a breaker bar. This thing is very heavy, so it's like it has a lot of weight to it, but it extends. It's called an extendable ratchet, which can be used as a breaker bar, so that's what we're going to be using this for. And the best part about it is that it extends. So, and it also says that has 6 locking positions, so that's awesome. That's very good. This is going to be very useful in the near times. Also, we have a 3-ton low profile floor jack. You guys may have thought I was playing around when I said that I was going to be doing work myself, but no, I was being dead serious. So we got these, and today I'll be going back to Northern Tools to get more, to get another toolkit, because my toolkit is like all over the place. So I'm gonna go there to get another toolkit another day. But this is what I have right now, and my tool setup is starting to grow, which is awesome, because that's what needs to be happening when you get into the car scene, when you do things yourself. And it's great to have your own tools. So that is what I got these for, and so that way I don't have to wait to take my car to somebody else where I can do the work myself, and I get to save money. So that's why I bought these tools. I gotta learn for myself now, and it's nothing against nobody. I just need to learn how to do these things myself. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a fat thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Let's get to 100 subscribers. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what to expect in the next video. Just gotta wait for it. So, just gotta wait on it. So I just hope that it has everything I need. So, without further ado, don't forget to live life simple, follow your dreams, and keep working hard. I will catch you guys in the next video. Tune out.